Have you ever wondered how a seemingly simple technique like deep transverse friction massage can promote healing and relieve pain? Today, we delve into the intricacies of this massage technique, exploring its step-by-step process and its potential benefits. In this video, you'll witness a seasoned physical therapist in an academic setting, elucidating the techniques and intricacies of deep transverse friction massage. This methodology is frequently employed as groundwork for future mobilization procedures. The approach following the massage varies based on injury type. It could range from implementing active movement for muscle tears, passive movement for ligament tear, to active unloaded movements for tendinous lesions. The goal remains the same: to persist until the injury is completely healed, and learn as the physical therapist vividly demonstrates and explains the benefits of this powerful massage technique. One crucial aspect to remember is that this massage should only be performed at the site of the lesion. The effect is so localized that without precise application and direction, relief may not be achieved. Over the years, this technique has unfortunately earned a reputation for being quite painful. However, this is usually the result of incorrect application, wrong indication, or an unfamiliar level of pressure. When applied correctly, deep transverse friction massage quickly results in an analgesic effect over the treated area, making it a less painful experience for the patient. To recap, deep transverse friction massage is a powerful tool in the realm of physiotherapy. Its step-by-step application involves applying friction directly to the lesion and following up with appropriate movements until full resolution is achieved. Remember, the key to effectiveness lies in precision and correct technique. Despite common misconceptions, this method should not be a painful experience when done right. Rather, it offers a path to healing and relief from pain. So, the next time you hear about deep transverse friction massage, you'll know exactly what it entails and the benefits it can offer.